Hello, hello, my friends. How are you today? Are you fine? I'm very good. Now it's a pleasure for me. In this class, you have learned many things about the math numbers. Now, come on, let's go. Excellent. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. But you can practice with me with the numbers, okay? Excellent, Christian, Isabelita, Michael. Good job, Emiliano. Excellent, Salome. Wow, you can practice with me with the number. Christian, pay attention. Excellent, Jose Manuel. That's right. You and me, you can learn it and practice with the numbers. Excellent. And practice, and you have a little review with the different colors. But in this class, do you need blocks? Excellent, blocks. In these blocks, you can need a marker, or you can stick a tape and you write the number from 1, trace the number, and in letters, okay? But do you need 10 blocks, whatever colors, okay? But I have this green, orange, green, red. I have only 10 blocks, okay? Do you need 10 blocks? And in this block, you can write in front of them the number with tape. Pueden utilizar cintica de enmascarar para que luego el bloque, cualquier cosa, podamos retirar la cintita. Now, you can practice and learn about the numbers. Now, what number is this? Excellent. 1. I can choose the block with the number 1. Okay. Number 2. Excellent. You can use the block number 2. Okay. And make a tower. 1 and 2. Continue. And what color is the number 2? I can hear you. Excellent, students. Number 2 is red. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. Okay, now in this class, you have a little review with the principal number from number 1 to number 10. And you have the 10 blocks, but 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. It's correct. I have 10 blocks here. 10. You can come with me. Pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent, my dear friends. And with this PPT, you can practice and let's play. Con estas diapositivas que les comparto, también van a practicar con los colores y con los números. Now, for example, with the first, cuando ustedes la coloquen, van a encontrar, you can find the color, the number. Van a encontrar la indicación en el número. You can see well, excellent. The girl say yellow. What is the yellow? You can choose, van a dar clic sobre el color correcto y el lapicito enseguida se va a activar y lo van a colorear.
Yellow.
Pay attention. Wow, fantastic. Number 1, what color is? Is yellow. When finally you can practice with the PPT, cuando terminemos de practicar con las diapositivas, mínimo 2 veces, luego vamos a armar la torre siguiendo la indicación. For example, The teacher Nancy say, make a towel from number 1, from number 5. Quickly, you can do it. Make a towel. Mi amiguito va a hacerlo corriendito y vamos a empezar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. And now the students say the color. Number 1 is green. Number 2 is blue. Number 3 is orange. Number 4 is red. And number 5 is yellow. No importa el orden que la teacher los colocó porque depende de los bloquecitos como ustedes colocaron los stickers o los pedacitos de cinta con el nombre cada uno. ¿Ok? Excellent. You can practice and do you win. Cuando finalicen, me van a hacer un pequeño sketch, un pequeño videito, ustedes jugando con los bloques y contando en inglés. The first elementary with the cardinal number from 1 to 10. Excellent. Bye bye, my dear friends. I love you so much. Y si tú tienes alguna inquietud, cualquier cosa me pueden escribir y yo les colaboro. Thank you. I love you. Practice with the numbers.